this is important for a mid-range jump shot right here. When you're going into your jump shot, you want to make sure your lead foot, which is your shooting foot, be first planted. Then have your second foot slightly behind your leading foot right there. Then after that, you make sure everything's balanced throughout your whole body. And then make sure you use some legs, not just all arms, because if you don't use any legs, you're not going to have a good jump shot. And it could fall short or go long. So this is an example of a jump shot right here. Follow through. Make sure you follow through for your shot for your rebound. This is a different way to take a jump shot or try to help your game have different options here. When you land the ball and catch the ball like this, you didn't use any pivot foot yet. So you have a couple options here. You can go left or you can go right. Most of the time, some people like doing this because it makes their game more open and make them a bigger threat. So here's some examples of what to do.